So this is just a quick PSA about the Facebook group for WPTuts and the future of that and how I'm changing things and where I'm actually putting more content and more effort into over and above this group, and why you may want to actually hop over to the new community and become part of that. Now, if you use Facebook, you probably know yourself that it is not something that people like myself that run these groups have a huge amount of control over. It's very much governed by Meta, and it's governed by the kinds of content and the format and the structure and the flow and all those kinds of things that they control. And to me, it's not a particularly good experience from both a user's point of view and someone that actually manages a community group on Facebook. So things are changing. I'm not getting rid of the Facebook group. That will still stay here. So don't think that that's going to suddenly disappear overnight. It's absolutely not going to. But the effort and new content and exclusive content and new features and so on are actually going to be placed into the WPTuts community. So at this point in time, the WPTuts community is absolutely free, and there will always be a free tier of the community. So things like the community chat, business talk, and so on will always be free, and there will be free courses and free content available on there. And at this point in time, I've got no immediate reason to want to reinstate the paid membership option. And the paid membership option gave you access to the premium courses, no different to when I was selling the actual courses themselves. But with that out of the way, why should or would you want to join the community when we've got the Facebook group? Well, the simple fact is it's a much nicer experience from your point of view, more importantly, and also from my point of view for adding content, managing content, and so on. Plus, free courses, free mini courses, free exclusive content, and so on will only be posted onto the community. So if you want to get access to things like free cohorts, live streams, specific events, interviews, tutorials, free downloads, and so on, they will all be available on the community. And as I say, all of this right now is all absolutely free, and there will always be a massive amount of free information. And there's also exclusive content on here. So for example, if you come down, exclusive community content. Inside there, we've got free downloads, so things like the website offboarding documents. There's free videos inside here that are only going to be available as part of the community. And this is just the beginning of what's going to be included here. But on top of that, we've got free courses like Prototype to Production. This will take you through how to use Relume, for example. Or you've got things like Bricks Builder 101, where there's a bunch of free videos on there. Streamline your bricks workflow. All totally free. All you need to do is sign up the community, enroll in the course, you get full access to it. Simple as that. Then on top of that, we've also got things like Ask the Community or Community Chat. This is where we have all the conversations going on. And as you can see, there's a pretty active space here. We've got videos being shared, we've got content being shared, questions being answered, updates, all those kinds of good things. So all the things you've seen on the Facebook group and an awful lot more will be included inside here. Specific business, then we've got a dedicated section to that, which again will have questions, answers, content, free content, so many different options inside here to share content, ask questions, and so on. So if you want to become part of the community, head over to the link in the description down below. Simply join up, get access to this, and then you can get access to all the free content, become part of this community, and just have more information available to you, get involved in more interesting conversations, and have a better experience than what you have with the Facebook group. But if you're not interested, or you just like the way the Facebook group works and you don't want another platform to join up to, absolutely no problems at all. Stick around on the community on Facebook and take advantage of that. But just know you are missing out on some pretty cool extras inside the free WPTuts community. As always though, all applicable links are in the description down below. My name is Paul C. This is WPTuts, and I hope to see you in the community really, really soon. Take care.